Hi there, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a makeup look with red and black makeup. I've seen a few different examples of what I want to do, so I wanted to see if I could get it right to do the same look. It's not too difficult, it's actually quite an easy look, so let's see how it goes.
I love being creative and trying new things in my journey through life, writing best practices, tips and tricks, sharing updates on my own writing and books with different tutorials sprinkled in between. I enjoy sharing my knowledge. There's music covers and original pieces written and composed by me, handmade jewelry reveals, sewing videos, other crafts, poetry reading, book reviews and many more. Come and join me on this journey and let's have fun together.
The first thing I need to do is put on base and all of that. So I'm going to put my primer on first, and it is Smashbox Photo Finish Color Correcting Primer. Probably back to front. I'll put the stuff in the description box that I use, although it's the same as what I always use. Next I'm going to use the Signature Liquid Makeup in Danish Delight, and I'm going to use my Beauty Blender, a damp one, to put it on. Next I'm going to use the Essence Camouflage Concealer Healthy Glow in light neutral. Next is the Radiant Glow Bronzer for face and body from Miss Signature. Here's my blender. And I'm using Romantic Bird Face Blush. Doesn't give me a color name. And my big brush. My Beauty Blender again. And 𝓟𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾𝓬 London, the darker one. comb it out again. And I've got 𝓼𝓻𝓸𝓭𝓾 Professional Makeup Highlighter. I'm going to be using this one. I'll put it on with my beauty blender. Tip. Then I've got LA Girl Pro Powder Setting Powder. I'm just going to use to set the parts that are a little bit too wet or oily. And then I'm going to be using my Classic Queen, the Matte Fixer Spray Face Spray, Makeup Fixer. The different ones that I saw, they had the eyebrows quite dark, but I don't want to do it. I'm going to see how it looks if I just do it the way it is, and then I'll go from there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this gel liner, black gel liner from LA Girl, with the little brush that comes with it, and see if that works for me, because I don't have a very thick black pencil. It's quite thin, so I'll be drawing for a while. So I want to just see if this works better. And then what I'll do is to shade it in, I'm going to use one of these. So I need to put it higher up, so I'm going to use my black eyeshadow from Beauty Treats Modern Matte, and I'm going to use this one. I'm going to use the same one, but I'm now going to use this red over here. Next, I'm going to put mascara on. The False Lashes Mascara Extra Volume and Curl from Essence. And now I've got Avon Glimmer Stick Luxe in Pearly, which is the white one, for the inside on the waterline. And the Essence Long Lasting Eye Pencil in C'est La Vie, which is the silver one, for the corner. and Essence Soft and Precise Lip Pencil in My Love. And I've got Bloody Mary lip butter from Miss Signature. Just want to darken it a little bit. See if I can get it dark. Okay, so that was LA Girl Matte Flat Finish Pigment Gloss in Backstage. Then I need black mascara, black eyeshadow again to do the edges. Use this one. I'm going to spray some fix on it to make it a bit wet. I think that's pretty cool. I must say it looks quite cool, a little bit scary, but it's cool. If I look in the mirror, my lips don't look so skew, but if I look in the camera, they look like uneven. Anyway, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, if you can please give it a thumbs up, I would really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed already, if you can please do so and click the little subscription block below. It shows support for my channel, which I really do appreciate, and also it helps me to reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers this year. And if you click the little bell notification, it will let you know when I upload a video so that you don't miss any. If you look in the description block below, you will also find all of my social media, including my blog, which is where you'll find more content from me. And if you go to www.patreon.com/Ondeane Lourens, it's also the best place for you to support what I do on this channel, and where you'll find more content from me. So I hope that you have a lovely day further. Keep your crystal on, your sparkle strong, and enjoy your moments. Goodbye.